The world of tech never sleeps, and today I'll give you a rundown on some of the most pressing tech-related news from GizChina. I've linked all the related articles down below in the description, so make sure and check them out. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you can keep up to date and get notified immediately when we release a fresh new episode of GizChina News. Let's get into it. Razer, a company that has made a name for itself with its high-end gaming products, has recently released a new handheld gaming device which is expected to shake up the competition. The Razer Edge is a powerful gaming device that is packed with specifications that are sure to impress even the most hardcore of gamers. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon G3X Gen 1 processor, 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and an external storage of 128GB with support for external storage for up to 2 TB. It also packs a beautiful 6.8-inch Full HD Plus display, USB Type-C along with Wi-Fi 6E, so you're sure to have a lightning fast connection. The Razer Edge offers a great deal of portability and convenience as well. With its 5000 mAh battery that can allow for hours of general use, you can take it with you anywhere you go. But how it does with power-hungry games is still yet to be seen. We would have loved to have seen a bigger battery, but who knows, maybe Razer has some clever optimizations in store for users that can help get the most out of the device. It's a powerful gaming device, that's for sure, and it's guaranteed to give the competitors cause for concern. It has great specifications, plenty of convenience features, all in a slim form factor. With all these features, the Razer Edge will make a great addition to any gamer's arsenal. For a more in-depth look at the Razer Edge, make sure and check out the article in the description below. Have you heard about the GCam 8.7 app? Well, it's the newest version of Google's camera app for Android phones, and it's already revolutionized the way we take our photos. It brings a bunch of amazing features that make your photos look far better than before. The GCam 8.7 app has a powerful new AI-based auto HDR feature that automatically enhances your photographs. It also has a new night mode with improved low light performance. And if that wasn't enough, the new GCam 8.7 app has improved portrait mode along with an improved selfie camera performance. You still might be asking, what's so great about the GCam app that makes it worth talking about? It's the first Android camera app to have all the features combined, and it's available on all Android phones. The development of the GCam app is all thanks to a dedicated community of modders, and with this latest port of the GCam app, users of Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, Motorola can now take advantage of Google's advanced algorithms. But bear in mind, this most recent version of the GCam app is specially designed for Android 13 users. If you're curious and want to try the GCam out for yourself, then make sure to check out the linked article below and follow the instructions on how to set it up. Are you an Android user but want that questionably cool dynamic island feature that the Apple devices have? Well, look no further. Dynamic Bar for Android is here to save the day. With this amazing app, you can now experience the same dynamic island feature as the iPhone users. The app comes with a variety of features that can bring dynamic island features to your Android phone. It brings a whole new way to use the on-screen real estate around the camera and may even make your device more useful than it was without the app. The Dynamic Bar app allows you to customize according to your needs. This new app is definitely worth checking out, so make sure and check out the related article in the description below. The Xiaomi MIUI 14 update is expected to bring a host of new features and improvements to existing devices, such as the new ways in which you can customize the user interface, also the new upgrades to the security and privacy features, which allows for a more comfortable user experience. Being far better equipped to keep you safe while online, it could even provide real-time subtitles during your video calls. MIUI users have been waiting patiently for an update that would bring them back into the cutting edge of tech, and this more recent update has done just that. The rollout map for the MIUI 14 OS will be carried out as soon as possible, according to Xiaomi, with the first 10 devices already being announced. To see if your device is one of the first 10 models to receive the long-awaited update, make sure and check out the related article in the description below. Why does Samsung transfer 98 of its US patents to Huawei? Well, we can only speculate, but it's clear that Samsung had a very good reason. After all, they wouldn't transfer their most valuable assets without a purpose. By transferring these patents, Samsung would be helping Huawei to build a powerful portfolio of intellectual property to encourage further cooperation. In addition, Samsung may have been hoping to benefit from the transfer in the long run. This ongoing cooperation with Samsung and Huawei will most likely give them an edge in this very competitive market. Samsung already transferred quite a lot of its patents over to Huawei as far back as 2019. It's been reported that as much as 81 patents were transferred to Huawei during this year, making the grand total a whopping 179 patents transferred in total. Reports have it that Samsung are continuing with their plan to bring their own chip development back from the dead, while Huawei are leading the charge in improving aviation efficiency with their cutting-edge patented technology and hardware. It's nice to see the big boys play nice for a change. To learn more about the Samsung and Huawei cooperation, make sure to check out the comprehensive article linked in the description below. "2023 is here, and so continues the console wars between Sony and Microsoft. If you're in the market for a new console, it can be a tough choice, and the only way to decide which one is best for you is to weigh up the features of each console. The PlayStation 5 and the Xbox Series X share some of the same hardware, but deliver very different experiences. They both possess lightning-fast SSDs, AMD's latest Zen 2 CPU, and a custom AMD RDNA 2 GPU. Now, while they may share similar hardware, they do offer their own unique selling points, and you have to take these into consideration. For example, PlayStation have so many AAA titles exclusive only to PlayStation, and on the other hand, Xbox offers an increasingly popular Game Pass, which is a subscription service that gives Xbox owners access to an online library of games for an affordable monthly subscription. There's a whole lot more to take into consideration if you're deciding which console to buy. To help in your decision-making process, make sure and check out the article below for more information on each console. Remember all the hype around 5G? It was the highly anticipated upgrade to the current cellular network, and it was supposed to revolutionize the way we use our cell phones. Well, it certainly didn't live up to the hype, and it's left a lot of people disappointed. For starters, the coverage leaves a lot to be desired. Currently, the best spots for 5G usage are mainly in urban areas, but service rapidly diminishes as you move out towards the suburbs, and is increasingly lacking the more you move out towards the countryside. There is a future for 5Gs. As companies like Microsoft and Meta try more and more to open up their metaverse experience, 5G may be the key to have a fast and reliable connection to this virtual world during everyday activities. But as it stands, 5G technology has a long way to go yet before we can give it the GizChina stamp of approval. I, for one, am very optimistic about the future of 5G and look forward to the innovations it's going to bring. You know the drill. If you'd like to get a more in-depth analysis of the current state of 5G, check out the related article in the description below. Once again, that's it for this week, folks. I hope you enjoyed, and please let us know your thoughts on Razer shaking up the handheld gaming market, and if you're looking forward to the MIUI 14 update. Make sure to subscribe and check out our website for more leading tech-related news. I'll be back next week to give you another rundown of the best tech news from GizChina. Thank you.